Hello everyone, welcome to the module 1 Introduction to the Excel Basics. So, you all know Excel is a powerful spreadsheet tool which is used for organizing, analyzing, and the visualizing the data. Even it offers the features like data entry, formulas for calculation, sorting, filtering. Even for visualization, we can make it out the charts, graphs, and basic statistical analysis. So, Excel is essential for beginners in analytics as it provides a user friendly interface to work with the data efficiently. As it is very user friendly, it has a lots of advantages as well as it has a lots of disadvantages. Okay, so it provides Excel has a familiar interface with the rows and columns, making it very easy for users to input, manipulate, and analyze the data without extensive training. It has a wide range of functions and features for has a versatility, accessibility, so it's widely available and commonly used in business. It can easily integrate with other Microsoft Office application. It is cost effective, flexible. With that, it has a disadvantage like a limited capacity, data security, version control, data quality, limited analytical tools, and the scalability. So in summarized way, I can say Excel is a versatile and widely used tool for analytics, especially for beginners and small scale projects. So with limitations like in handling the large data set, ensure the data security, and provide the advanced analytical capabilities compared to the specialized analytical software. Okay, so let's begin and understand what is Excel can do it and help us to understand and do it our analysis for the given data set. Okay, so first I'll give you the overview of Microsoft Excel. So as we were talking about that, it is versatile. So it is a dynamic spreadsheets software designed for the data analysis and calculation and visualization. It provides a structured grid of rows and columns, which are creating a versatile platform for organizing and manipulating the data. So there are columns which always be mentioned in alphabets, and the rows are in the number, right? So what are the key features of the Excel? So it has a formula capability. So Excel allows the users to create complex mathematical calculations and making it ideal for the financial analysis, budgeting, and more. Even it has a features like charts and graphs, so visualize the data trends to the variety of chart types, enhance the data interpretation and presentation, and data sorting and filtering, so effortlessly manage the large data sets by sorting and filtering the information, facilitating the efficient decision making. So we can integrate, as told you, integration with the Office suite. So it helps in a integrates with the other Microsoft Office like Word, PowerPoint, and streamline workflow and collaboration. Cross versatility about the cross industry, so widely adopted across the industry like finance, market, healthcare, education. Data management and manipulation, so there it is very good in data management excellence. Enhance the productivity, regular updates, and the supports it gives. It is has a great impact in the education system. So Excel is extensively used in educational institute to teach the students valuable skills in data analysis, problem solving, and organizational efficiency. So Microsoft Excel stands as a cornerstone for the data related tasks, offering the robust platform for professional across the industry. So let's begin with the Excel interface and the navigations. So Excel interface and navigation, we are going to discuss about the ribbon, cells, and the columns, rows, and the sheets, and quick access toolbar. So I'll explain that one just a second. So ribbon is nothing but it's a toolbar at the top with the tabs like home, insert, page, and layout. Okay. Um, so I can show you these are the main tabs: home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and help. So whenever you will select one, you will get the ribbon related to that tab. Okay. So this is called actually the menus, which are having a sub menus or sub features. So features provided by those tabs. Okay. So whenever you will click, that ribbon will fall down and you can see all the features and you can use that one in your sheets. Okay. Next is a sales, columns and rows, quick access toolbar and sheets. Okay. So let's open the Excel. So we'll open the blank workbook here. You can see here all the tabs like home, insert, draw, page layout, formulas. So this is the active one where it is showing a green one. If I click on the insert, I will get the all the features which I can use using for the insert. Okay, if you go for the home, these are the features like clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, sales, editing, add-ons like add-ins in line. For draw, this is a ribbon, page layout, formulas, data, review. So these are all the one by one. You can use this, go explore all these things. What are all things are given in this particular tab. Okay. Now next is this. I hope you understood what is the ribbon. When you click on the tab, this ribbon is falling down. Even you can hide this ribbon. So, okay. Show the tabs only. If I click on that time means it is falling down. When you will go, it will fall down, right? Otherwise, that ribbon is not there. So that's why it's called its ribbon. Okay. So I'm choosing, you can choose the option shows tabs only, always show ribbon. Okay. So you can fit it that one here permanently, or if you need a more visual space, so you can hide that one. Next is quick access bar. So this is your quick access, customized quick access toolbar. So if you need to use the more commands again and again, the same command again and again, so rather than going in that particular tabs, you can only choose those commands, those things here, and you can customize. So now I want spelling one, so I can add the spelling one. I don't want open one, so I can deselect that one. Which one you want, you can select. Even there are more commands from here you can choose. Show about the ribbon, hide the quick access toolbar, and these are the few things you can even you can hide. If you want, you can go to the ribbon and show the quick access toolbar. Okay. Next is the row column. So these are the columns which are in the alphabet. So if you select any column, so this is the name box where A1 A and one is a row. So A1, so this is your cell which is showing. If I change the cell, so C2, so first it shows the column and second one is the row number. So whichever you'll choose, it will show like that. So this is your name box of your cell. So cell is what? Where the interaction of the column and the cell. Okay. This is your formula bar. So where you can write the formula, which one we will learn in some time. So columns, rows, and this is your workbook. So this is your complete workbook, and workbooks can have the multiple sheets. So you can add the sheets here. You can rename those. You can format this. You can tap color change. I'm giving the green color. So this way you can format. You can add multiple sheets, how many you want to add here. Okay. Even you can change the sequence just pulling that one. You can set where you want. I want here, so I want sheet 5 here. You can just drag it and change it. So this way we have understood now what is the ribbon, quick access, toolbar, cells, columns, your cell and the sheets, right? So these are the main things: ribbons, column, rows, quick access bar, cells and the sheets. I hope you understood. So what are the next? We will move to the basic formula and functions. Okay. So formulas are nothing but those are the equation used to perform the calculations in Excel. So it's created by combining the operators, cell references and values. Okay. So I'll explain you that one by one. There are functions which are predefined formulas for specific operations, streamline common calculation, which can save the time. Even there are formulas like input and editing. So we can enter the formulas in the formula bar, which one I have showed. You can double click a cell to edit an existing formula. Even I'll explain you the autofill features where you can just drag and fill the handle. So you don't need to type the formula again and again. You can just copy the formula to the adjacent cells. Okay. And there is a error handling like a common for errors like division by 0. So you can understand that division by 0 is not possible. That is that those are the common errors, and values means where the invalid data types means you are trying to enter the numbers in a string. Okay, so it can gives you a error formulas there. Okay, so let's see what can be given. Okay, uh, so first I'll explain all these things using a common functions like sum, average, count and the if statement. Okay, let's understand one by one. Okay, so first I'll explain you a sum function. So whenever we are writing or if we want to use any function or formula, we always start with the equal to. Okay, now I want to add these all the sales of the month of January. So adding means sum. So you if you type a sum, you will get the functions related to the sum. These are the predefined the function. So how we calculate the sum? We just add these numbers, right? But we are not using the plus sign here because it is already a function which is already added a instructions to that. So we are using this predefined function where we are passing the references, means whatever the values will be there in this. So we are just passing the numbers. Okay, means we are passing the cell reference here and will enter. So this is what, this is a cell which has this value. Okay. So B6, B7, B8, B9, these are the cell references. If you change the value in this, so automatically the sum will also change. Right? So whatever updation you will do it, based on that, the sum will change. Now let's see if this sum is right or not. Okay. I'll add this. What I'm taking the this value. How we add? Plus, plus, I'm adding all the 4 cells. The both of them are same? Yes, they are same because what we did here, we added the values of these cells and we use here the function sum, right? So both work the same way. Even if you select these cells, so how many cells you have selected? 4 cells you have selected. It will give you a count. Okay, what is the sum of this values? So this is the sum of this value. If I select this, will it give me like that? No, it only gives the count. So when the numbers are there, those will give you here in average, count and the sum. Okay. Next is we'll use the average function. So you just need to type average. Select that average. Okay. Select the cells whose average you want to calculate and close the bracket and enter. Right. How we calculate the average? Sum divided by the sum of the operation divided by the number of operation. How many operations are there? 4. So observation, sorry. So sum of the numbers or observations divided by the number of observation, right? So here it has given the average, which is the estimated. They have estimated, which is closer to the 55, right? So this way you can calculate the average using the formula, or you can write your own formula. So even you can write the formula here, select the cell and write the formula here, equal to count number of cells it will give. Okay. Or if you don't give the count, means if you don't type the equal to, this will not work. Got it? Only functions or formula can be start only with a equal to sign, then only it will work, otherwise it will not work. Okay, I hope you understood how to calculate the sum, average and count. Let's try with a if now. Okay. So these are the marks which is got by the students. Okay, let's now if is what, it's a conditional logic. Okay, so what we will do it, if student got more than 50, he pass. Okay, else he will fail. Okay, if the condition logical test is first, comma, if value, if logical test is true, it will pass the value which is written here. Or if it is false, then pass this value. Okay, so now what will be the answer? If a1 is a, sorry, a1 is a less than 50, yes, so the student is failed. Now I am auto-filling this. I'm just dragging this. How to autofill? Here is a small square. You just need to come here. When you're, what will happen? Your cursor is getting changed now. It's getting plus. So you can drag. You can see here down, drag outside selection to extend the series. You can see here, okay, down. When I will click, you can see my mouse where it is, my cursor. Just go here. You can see drag outside the selection to extend the series. So you can extend that one. Now what happened? The condition is B1 is, here it was A1. Here it has changed B1. Here it has changed C1. So it's automatically take the reference and change it, that one. Okay, it's called as the autofill. So you don't need to write that formula again and again or paste that one again and again. It will get automatically filled. So now here B1 is greater than 50. So obvious it will return the pass. Even you can do the nested. Now I want to give the grades. So I'm giving a grade if student get the 60. Okay. If student gets the 60, it will paste A. Means he will get the grade A. Okay. Or if it doesn't get 60, okay, so we'll try now. We'll take it 70 here. If he gets 70, we'll get the grade A. Okay. If he gets 60, he will grade B. Else, he will get C. Okay. So what we want to try to do it here, if the student is getting more than 70, he will get the grade A. If he is getting more than 60, or we can take it equal to 60, more than 60 and equal to 60, he will get B. Otherwise, he will get the grade C. Okay. So now we will drag this. So yes, as per this 60 equal to 60, getting B grade. More less than 70 and the 60 getting C grade. And more than 70 getting A grade. I hope you understood this. This is called the nested if statement. Okay. So now we'll do it the error. What kind of error we can get it? I'm dividing this one by 0. So am I getting error? Yes, it is giving me the error. So this is means division by 0 is not possible. Okay. So sometimes it can happen right here in this if statement. So you can ignore that one or you can paste it if error, if D1, like I'm changing the formula now. Okay. So if error is there, returns value if error. If expression is an error, the value of expression itself otherwise. Okay. So let's see what it does. Okay. If this divided by this, so there is a problem with this formula, not trying to type a formula when the first character is an equal to. So this is giving you a error key that is not possible, right? So I'm trying 0. Okay, so it will not allow you to do it that. So this way you can calculate the error or If there is an error, you can manage the potential error in the if statement also. So this way you can handle the errors in a if statement. Okay. So we understood the sum function, we understood the average, count, if statements, and now we will look into the data entry and the formatting. So you can do the formatting as you want to do it in this. While entering your data or while inputting that one, even you can format that one for the better readability. So like typing text, typing numbers, dates. So there are so many things are there. Like you can adjust the font style, you can change the cell color, you can border, you can align, you can type the formulas, you can do the easy formulas, saving a new workbook on your computer, you can checking the spellings, making basic changes, you can print a worksheet, you can safely choose a workbook. Okay, so let's try that. Um, I'm taking this part, so you can copy this, copy, and take, I'm pasting that one here. Okay. Now what I want to change the, now you can see here it's already formatted. I want to try here. Okay. So I want to give the different font. So fonts are here. You can choose the fonts. When you are selecting that, it will show you how it will look. So here you can see the, you will get the preview of that. Okay. So I'm changing this. I can change the color of the font. I can change the cell color. Like this you can format. You can even give the border to your cells. You can change the color of the fonts also. You can change the size, font size. Okay. Even you can change the numbers also, number formatting also different way. Okay. Bold, italic, underline. Okay. You can change the align, left, center, right, up, top, bottom, like that. You can wrap the text if there is a text is more than that, like, okay, so it is not visible. So you want to visible that, you can just wrap the text. So it will increase the height and keep all the text which is there in that cell and show you on the screen. Okay, these are the numbers formatting. You can do it. How many decimal points you want, like that you can format. You can use the commas, you can give the percentage sign, you can change the, you can give the currency in front of that. Okay, there are lots of formatting are there. Fractions are there, currency, number, general, long date, short date, so many options are there. So you just need to choose to the dates. You can go to the dates and change that formatting. Okay, then you can format kind of a table also. Okay, so it can give the formatting of the tables. Okay, you can insert, delete, format. So you can choose the how many options you want to choose from the formatting and do it. So you can try this one. We have given you a file. You can try this kind of a formatting and do the lots of practice on that. Okay. Next is, what are the best practices for the data entry? So use a clear and consistent headings. So headings should be proper. Your rows and columns heading should be proper. Enter the data always in a structure manner and avoid the unnecessary formatting. So you cannot first you understand the data very well and then do the formatting. Don't use the multiple colors, don't confuse yourself. So try to be a minimalist in this. Okay, so those are the good practices while doing the data entry. So we have learned the overview of Microsoft Excel. We understood the Excel interface and navigation. The basic idea, I hope you all understood. You understood how to use the formulas, functions, and how we can do the formatting and tips of related to the data entry and formatting, right? So congratulations, here you have completed the module 1 on Excel basics, and please do practice with this concept and enhance your proficiency in your Excel for various tasks. For that, we have given you a small exercise on this module. After completing that, submit that one, and we will cross check that. Okay. Thank you all for joining me and completing this module. See you in the module 2. Thank you.